Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel for another edition of Furious Fridays. Today we're going to feature Dom's 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. And we have two versions of this from Jada. The first car on the top is going to be a 1/32 scale, and the car on the bottom is going to be 1/24 scale. So we'll go ahead and open up both of the vehicles and we'll take a closer look and compare the two. Okay, so we now have both vehicles out of the box. They're pretty similar in design. The wheels are very similar between the two. They both have the SS 396 logos on the fenders. The 1/32 scale does feature opening doors. It does not feature an opening hood or trunk. The 1/24 scale model features opening doors, hood, and trunk. So other than that, they're very similar, just a little more detail in the larger model. So we'll go ahead and take a closer look at each one individually now. This is Dom's 1970 396 SS Chevelle in 1/32 scale. It does feature rubber tires and has aftermarket wheels. Those aren't the stock style wheels the Chevelle would have come with. And it does feature opening doors. It's in cranberry red paint with black stripes. Go ahead and open the doors now. The model features a die-cast metal body with a plastic chassis. It does have separate bucket seats inside the interior, as well as a separate steering wheel. You can see detailing on the taillights, as well as a Fast and Furious license plate. And it features a chrome grille and clear plastic headlights on the front. We now have the 1/24 scale model. It shares many of the same features as the 1/32 scale. However, it does in addition feature detailing around the window trim on the back glass, as well as the side windows and the windshield. In addition, it also has rear view mirrors on the doors that the smaller model did not have. It features the same style wheels. You can see the red brake calipers and drilled brake rotors behind the wheels on this model. The smaller one did not show that detail either. This model does feature opening doors, hood, and trunk, so we will show that now. Okay, so we have now opened the different features on the vehicle. So similar to the smaller one, it does have the bucket seats inside and the steering wheel. In addition, it does have a rear view mirror on the front of the windshield that the smaller 1/32 scale did not have. And again, the trunk opens and the hood opens on this one as well. Now the engine has some detailing. There's some chrome on there. However, this does not look like a standard big block Chevy as the logos on the fenders would say, as it's supposed to have a 396. So I'm not sure what the engine actually is supposed to be. It's a little strange looking, but still has the right idea of, trying to have kind of a souped up car that Dominic would have. And of course, in the movie where they went to Mexico, he actually ends up rebuilding this car and paints it primer gray. But this is the original configuration that you would have seen at the end of the first Fast and Furious movie when Dom's driving in Mexico at the very end credits. So I would think that it should have had the original 396 motor to be detailed, but it's probably based on another model, I'm guessing. So that's one flaw I saw, but other than that, it's a pretty nice detailed model. Has the aftermarket wheels as well, but it does feature rubber tires and the brake detailing as I mentioned. Thanks for joining us on this Furious Friday. Again, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. We have Towing Tuesdays where we feature a die-cast tow vehicle of some sort, whether it be a ramp truck or tow vehicle, every Tuesday. And then we have the Furious Fridays segment on Fridays where we feature a different car from the Fast and Furious franchise. And then in addition to that, we also have some build videos coming out. So we'll have a 1985 IROC Camaro Z28 that I'm working on. And then I'll also have some additional cars being added to the video series. So be sure you subscribe. Lots of new things coming to the channel. Make sure you comment below if you have any suggestions or maybe another car you'd like to see on the channel. I will put a link to these vehicles in the description below in case you're interested in looking for these vehicles to add to your own collection. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.